Play. What is that? Oh damn, that looks too 3D. It looks like her face is just ruined. Too cool artwork. Makeup skills, by the way, too good. Play. What is this guy is doing with that paintbrush? Okay, that's a car. Look at that straight line. Not a single part is just missing out. Okay, that's impressive. Play. What is? Oh, don't jump, don't. Okay, that's an VFX, bro. Okay, that's an art too. How you can use this type of things to make those 3D looking. Okay, this is editing too. He just flipped the part. Yeah, editing. Play. Okay, it looks like a portrait. What is made up of? Okay, straw parts, smaller straw parts or wires. This is made up of wires. That looks so impressive and good, man. Just zoom out. Let's just see the portrait again. Too good.